Hi guys, how are you doing? Say hi.
Hi guys.
What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna use Play-Doh to create something fun.
All right, let's see. So we have straws, plastic straws that we cut in half. You can even leave them big if you want. And then we have Play-Doh. You can have any Play-Doh you want. And we're going to make little balls first so that we will show you what we're going to do. So cut the straws so that your child is not dealing with scissors and getting hurt.
While you do the straws, I'm going to do the little Play-Dohs.
So we're going to take a little Play-Doh here and make balls. And use your table and make little balls like that. Then I'm going to do a green.
Like this? Or just like this?
A little bit bigger.
Okay.
There you go. Alright, so here we have all the little balls rolled up. And now she's going to create shapes, different shapes, designs, whatever you can do with the straws. This is also a very great way for teaching your child fine motor skills, hand coordination, and also to keep them busy. So just press it down. So you can make these smaller if you want, but we did it like that.
And wait.
Yes. So continue. Let's see what shape you create.
Okay.
Do this, and then make another one. There you go. And another one.
Got it.
Or you can create the base, the bottom. Mine is a square. And voila, the square is done.
How did you do
There you go.
that?
Try to do a triangle. Now we can continue make it a house.
Hey, made a triangle.
Very good. So just put it in the bottom. So you just have to, no, not that way, this way. Fell. So